Hantun Vacuum aims to provide an all-around cleaning for your family. USB chargers are more convenient than others. It can be used in various places such as cars, homes, offices, etc. This cordless vacuum cleaner's internal, high-efficiency lithium battery can withstand up to 500 recharge cycles within its lifetime, and is fully charged in 3 to 4 hours, over 30 minutes of operation. The temperature protection, input voltage protection, input current protection, and short-circuit protection better ensure equipment safety throughout the charging process. Hantun Portable Vacuum utilizes aluminum alloy fan at up to 28,000 rounds, min, which provide a suction up to 5,000 pa. In addition to sucking out daily pet hair and paper debris, it can also clear those hard-to-reach unseen motes as small as 0.3 microns. Avoid struggling with pesky cords and limited range with our cordless design feature. Ideal for a variety of applications, can be used for car, home and offices cleaning. The rechargeable 2000 mAh high-energy lithium-ion batteries increase the duration and extent of use. With 3 different types of attachments, the portable cordless vacuum can help you thoroughly clean the dust of sofa, wall, stairs and other hard-to-reach areas. Provide a full range of cleaning your home environment. The portable vacuum goes with 800 megaliters large-capacity dust collection cup to meet the need of deep cleaning dust needs from your kitchen, living room to bedroom. Get away from troubles of cleaning up several times during use. Durable use in both wet and dry conditions. It can easily clean dust, crumbs, hairs, as well as spilled milk and other liquids. No more worry about the troubles of liquids.